Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Dalmas again. Yeah, I go by the name Dalmas the Roofer. That's my channel name. In case guys you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting so that when I post new videos, you don't miss out. Guys, this is Kenya. We are in the village of Kubichenge. So it is early in the morning. We have just woken up. We really thank God for this opportunity. So we are actually moving. You can see I've got a guy here with a motorbike. We want to leave our daily errands as roofers. So my video just began here at home. Yeah, so stay tuned. The video of today will be dope. Yeah, so we are heading to somewhere on our construction site. I hope more good things will come from on the way and the destination where we are heading to. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, this Sibania town, we are really moving and enter the town. It has really actually grown soil and it's very developing. You can see actually these are cars, probably for the cargo goods from maybe probably Nairobi to this side. Yeah, these are filling stations. Yeah, you can see people are really busy. Their daily errands, mostly business people here. People are very busy here. You can see. What's up once more again, guys? I've actually reached the site. Yeah, here we have got an ongoing project. We are in the framing phase. Maybe I want to show you up here, maybe how we are laying these woods and the purlins. Yeah, stay close, watch closely, so that you can actually enjoy the view of this house. Yeah, can you say that these are the purlins, the rafters, the jack rafter, like that one. Yeah, so they're being laid in a pattern to come up with the design. Yeah, so we are actually installing the purlin that will hold roofing material. In this type of roof, we are using the corrugate, the versatile, or the brick tiles. Yeah, this is all the valley, where the valley tray will be laid to drain water from the both sides. That pitch, the other pitch. So that's the point of intersection where they meet. Yeah, from those two pitches. Yeah. So that the water will collect downwards here with the gutters. On this other hand, we have got the gable, and that's why you can see this is the gable. It has got two pitches, two sides. Yeah. Keep watching, the video is amazing. Yeah, for those who want to learn construction, to be precise, roofing, and these are the things that we do to improve our skills and make also money. Yeah. Yeah, these are my fellow roofers. These are the boys that usually help me. Yeah. come up with something incredible. So I'll be updating you on the progress of this house because we are roofing it on stages. Here you see the framing phase. The next we'll be treating the timbers. Then finally we'll finish with the facial board and the roofing materials. Yeah. So it is what it is. We really appreciate God for the gift of this knowledge. Yeah. Everything is running out fantastic. So that the client will be satisfied with the kind of the work. Because we aim on the quality output to make sure we come up with something incredible. Because these our jobs sometimes are very thorough. They usually we are being referred from one place to another. If we actually come up with something good, the client is actually satisfied and happy. So probably somebody else will be referred to us or otherwise. So that's why we actually emphasize on quality things. Yeah. Thank you for those who do return, the subscribers. Thank you so much. Be blessed. This marks the end.